Today I'm going to show you how to make a harmonica. These are the materials that you'll need. A piece of paper, a pair of scissors, tape, 2 rubber bands, and 2 popsicle sticks. So now to the steps. We're going to cut a little tiny paper strip for this, and we'll put it on the inside later. We will cut it as long as the popsicle stick is, and that's about right. But it has to be a little bit shorter than the popsicle stick itself, because we're going to put it inside. Then you just cut it off. This is what it will look like. See, you would put it on there, and if it's a little bit too big, that's fine. Too small, it's fine. But you can. What we're gonna do next? Get our scissors, and we should cut a little thing right about up to that. And now to the side, cut like that. Cut like that. All right, do you see the shape? What we're gonna do with it is fold it. And what you would do, did you see this? You fold it that way. And now fold it this way. And now fold it that way one more time. And now fold it that way. And then we just have to do that one more time. So. So now we're going to put the harmonica all together. And what we would first do is we would get some tape, and now we roll it out just a little bit, cut it, and so now this is a little bit hard, so what you do is you would fold this back on it, it won't stick, and just roll this up. See, you roll it up, and now you have a little donut shape. And it has tape on all the sides so it can stick. It's like double-sided tape, and you can put that right on your popsicle stick. And now you got your little tiny piece. You can now put that on that tape. Now it's sticking. And now we get another, do it again. Put it on top. And now our strip, we will put that right on top. All right, now we've just got this little dangling strip here. So now you will get another little strip. All right, now you have your little tiny donut shaped thing. And now you will put that right on top and cut your little piece right on top of it. But now you just need to do it again. Alright, so now that you've done it again, you would just put that down on it. And that goes down. See, now you just have this kind of, I don't know what to call it, and you get your other popsicle stick and get two pieces of tape. You roll them both right into those little donut thing rolls again. One on top. And one on the other side. Now what you would do is you would put your popsicle stick on top really carefully. And for the last part of making it, you get your two rubber bands. One, you put it on, and this might be a little bit hard, but you twist it. So you twist it, now put it on, twist it again. You just twist it as many times until it's really, really tight. All right, so that was 3 and 4 times. 4 times is good. And now they just do it. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there's your harmonica. You see what it'll do before you blow it is when you would blow it, the air runs through and makes this little piece of paper vibrate, and it would make a noise like this. That's how you make a harmonica.